Welcome to the Pediatric Patient Education tutorial. This online database was put together by the American Academy of Pediatrics. This database is designed to provide pediatricians with trusted health information when parents or caregivers seek medical advice. The goal is to equip patients and parents with the necessary information to understand their medical condition and preventative care for their child. After viewing this tutorial, the user, which is pediatricians, should be able to recognize where to retrieve important health information for parents and caregivers seeking medical advice for well-child visits, 2. Find and access patient handouts from the Pediatric Patient Education Library, and lastly, be able to perform simple search queries. All information within the core library is trusted health information for parents and caregivers seeking advice covering birth through young adulthood. The American Academy of Pediatrics is a professional membership organization of 67,000 primary care pediatricians who are dedicated to the health, safety, and well-being of children. This comprehensive library provides pediatricians and healthcare professionals access to several hundred handouts that they can use throughout various points of care, either before, during, or after a visit. Let's take a look at the Well Child Visits handouts. What's very unique about this site is most of the handouts are available in English and Spanish. The Well Child Visit handout link provides quick access information that addresses key information for health supervision care from infancy all the way through adolescence. Let's take a look at a handout. Let's take a look at the 6-month visit. Here, you can see the suggestions provided by the pediatrician to inform the parents of important milestones for 6 months, such as areas of development or something as new as starting new foods. Definitely a handy tool. Now let's head back to the home page and let's move on to our next objective, which is to find a specific handout. So in order to find a specific handout or to browse a list of handouts, there's various areas we can go. We can go to Browse All Handouts or View All Handouts to view alphabetized medical conditions. So let's say we want to learn more information about asthma. As you can see, there's many results that come out, which are asthma and exercise, there's asthma attack, there's asthma triggers. And for the purpose of showing the cultural competency of this site, we see that there's many Spanish translations of each educational handout. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, let's go to the first search. As you can see, there's quite a bit of information regarding this topic, such as the signs that your child is asthmatic, what to do if your child is triggered, when a physician should intervene, and what are the common medications for children who are asthmatic. There's also notable options for each handout, such as the PDF version that you could print out for the patient. There's a custom handout where you can leave a note for the patient, or you can utilize the share option and share it via email or social media. Lastly, let's use the search box to perform a simple research query. So let's say you want to look up the benefits of breastfeeding. You want to convince a mother the importance of providing your child with breast milk. As you can see, there's a PDF booklet that incorporates general steps to breastfeeding, but also discusses the importance of breast milk in the early months. Okay, so let's go back to the homepage and review what we've learned today. Pediatricians should be able to select specific patient handouts to browse all handouts. They should be able to find and access patient handouts from the Patient Pediatric Library. And lastly, they should be able to use the search bar to find relevant health information or to search for a health topic through a research query. That's all for today. Thank you for visiting.